Okay guys, so on these 16-foot Dakota houses, what we've had to do here is we're going to add a little gusset and a truss to help disperse the weight for the width of the house. What you want to do is go from the top of your ground stake down here, and we're going to measure up 52 inches. When we get to 52, we'll make a mark on the pipe. We'll take our tension band, we'll go over the pipe there. Make sure on the outside of your house that you have the flat side of the tension band facing the outside of the house. Once that's there, we'll take our gusset piece, we'll get a nut and a bolt in it. Got it? There you go. Get started. Okay, now when we do our top part, we won't have to worry about a mark because the length is only going to let us cover so much. We get the bottom of the tension band again, add our mark, and then we'll set the top of the brace. We're going to take our half-inch socket and tighten those down, and then on the back side, especially on these end bows, on the back side facing the inside of the house, we'll put a Tek screw to make sure they stay in place permanently. Okay guys, so along with the gusset that we've done on the corner, we're adding a truss to the 16-foot wide Dakota house, and this is on only the 16-foot wide houses, again, for weight distribution. What we want to do is, again, with the tension bands, we want to make sure the flat side is on the outside so that we don't rub our end films. We're going to get a level, and this is a 6-foot, flattened and punched. Now, once you have it up here, if you've got it level, that's going to be your placement. We're not going to worry about a measurement from peak to end. We just want the truss to be level. Once you have that secured, you'll go through with the nuts and bolts again. Once we have those tightened down, once more, put the Tek screw on the inside of the bow, facing away from the end wall film or the main film on top, and we'll put a Tek screw there to make sure that maintains its position permanently as well.